Hi friends, I'm Dr Harish R J, practicing medicine in Bangalore for the last 20 years. If you have diabetes, you will likely need a blood glucose meter to measure and monitor the amount of sugar or glucose in your blood. Exercise, food, medications, stress and other factors affect your blood glucose levels. Using a blood glucose meter can help you better measure and manage your diabetes by tracking any fluctuations in your blood glucose levels. Many types of blood glucose meters or monitors are available, from basic models to more advanced meters with multiple features and options. In this video, we are going to unbox and demonstrate what are the key features in it and how to use it in a right way. Yes, let's unbox this beautiful, simple and easy to use blood glucose monitor from Niscomed. Let's go for it. Let's unbox this. Before unboxing, let's see what are the main things that is printed on the box. It says Sure Screen Blood Glucose Monitoring System. There's an image on it and it says there are 25 test strips inside, and auto code is a special feature of this. It has bidirectional blood sampling, lifetime warranty, less blood sample required, and 8-second test. That means it is faster than many of the glucometers that are there in the market. On the back side it says not to refrigerate or expose to sunlight, and operating temperatures, all those things which can be seen here. At the back side it again shows risk indication, that is keto, that is very high blood sugar when it goes to ketoacidosis, or hypo, that means when the sugar is very low, it shows a risk indication. Automatic coding is one of the special feature. Lifetime warranty is one of the special feature. It has a large memory capacity, that is 180 recordings it can store in this glucometer. It has a faster test time, that is 8 seconds testing time. Very small blood sample is required, about 8.8 microliters per test is what the sample that is required. Steps of operations, it says. Let's go into the box and then unbox it, and then we will see what are the steps that we need to follow to get an accurate result. So when you unbox, there are two things that I can see. One is it has a manual. It has a manual which says how to use it, which we can read it in leisure. Like it has a lot of table of contents which you can go page by page and understand how to make it. Today we are going to see how to test the blood sugar level using this Sure Screen Niscomed blood glucose meter. So this is a manual which is customer care done by Ashok Enterprises, which is present in New Delhi. There is a website of this company which says www.niscomed.com. After going through the manual, let's see what is there in the box. It's a beautiful carry box. Okay. It has a scanner which says if you want to buy 25 strips, you can scan this, 50 strips, you can scan this, box of 100 strips, you can scan this. This is also ISO and CE certified. CE certified, powered by Niscomed, which is a registered company, and it also says the product is blood glucose meter. Available on Flipkart. It is also available on Amazon. I have ordered this through Amazon. Once you open this, you see these products. One, it has Lancets. Lancets, I will show how it is used and how to insert it into this lancing machine. These are Lancets. This is a lancing machine. It's very beautifully colored, very smooth surface. Okay, I'll show you how to use this later on in this video. And there's a battery which you need to insert this into this monitor or a meter. This is the main part of this machine. This is the monitor. On the screen it will display the result, amount of glucose and all. I'll show you how to use this in the later part of my video. This is a box which contains glucometer strips. It says it contains about 25 strips, you can see it here. And it also has a code. I'll tell you what is the importance of this code. 697 is the code of these strips. So it is very easy to open this. And this is the lancing device, and this is the Lancet. If you see here, this is the lancing device and this is these are the Lancets. Now I'm opening this. And I'm just taking one Lancet. Let's see how to make this Lancet ready so that it is available for proper painless easy pricking. Okay, if you see this Lancet, it has got this head part and this body part. We just have to twist it like this to 1 or 2 rounds so that this needle is available for pricking. It's a very tiny needle. Amount of blood that is required for this needle, amount of blood that is required for this monitor is very less. So the needle is also very tiny, very tiny. I just bent this needle, so I'm taking one more needle, one more Lancet. So if you see here, I'm just twisting it 1 or 2 rounds and then opened it. Now keep it safe so that it doesn't prick your finger anywhere. Just open this. I've just opened this lancing device. I make sure this plus mark, if you see here, this plus mark is going inside the sleeve in a smooth fashion. Now I've inserted this Lancet inside the lancing device, and carefully, without making the needle blunt, I've inserted this. Now we have set the lancing device and kept it ready. Now we have to arrange this glucometer so that it is ready to take the sample, blood sample, and give the result. So as I explained, like this contains 2 buttons. One is for a setting, the other one is for confirming that setting, and next one is to eject the glucometer strip once it is used. And only these 3 are the buttons, so it's very simple. Battery is already inserted. Now we are taking this glucometer strip, and as I already mentioned, there is an arrow mark which should be going inside this glucometer device. So now I'm just inserting this. I'm sorry, I had inserted in the wrong direction. Now this should be upwards. The strip should be upwards. This is the direction which we need to insert. The moment we insert the strip in the right direction, there is a code that we can see, 697, which is matching with the code on the glucometer strip container. If you can see this, it is visible, 697, and on the monitor of the glucometer you can see the same code. So it is auto coded. Now this device is ready for sampling and monitoring. We have kept this lancing device ready, and next one is we have to prepare the part for extracting the sample, blood sample. So usually just away from the center of the pulp of the finger we can take the sample. we need to wash it with clean warm water with soap water, not to use a alcohol strip. It may alter the result. So after cleaning this, wipe it dry with a clean cotton cloth, and then, as I told, we have to adjust the depth of the lancing device, and then place it firmly at the tip of the finger and then press it. Can you see? There is a sample of blood. You can easily note this. Don't press too hard. This amount of sample, I think it is enough. Just touch one of the side of this one. Yes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there is the result. 128 milligrams per deciliter is my blood glucose level. I think it is visible. So it is as easy as that. As I explained, once you get the report, just wipe the remaining blood with the clean cotton cloth, and that's done. So this is how we use this glucometer. To repeat, one advantage of this device is after completion of the test, it goes and saves into the memory, which has about 180 readings memory, and the amount of blood that came out was very less, and it was sufficient for the result to be displayed. If it were to be some other devices, it would have shown like low volume of blood, or some errors would have come. It is as easy as that. Okay, once the test is done, once your recording is recorded, once your reading is recorded, you can just remove the strip by pressing this. There is a button here. You just have to eject this one. That's it. And you can dispose it into the trash. There is one more thing that we need to. Here it is not complete. One more thing we need to do is, after completion of this test, you have to dispose one-time use Lancet. So what you need to do, just remove this cap like this, and there's a button to eject this Lancet as well. You just have to take it forward and remove this. Be careful not to hurt your fingers. Okay, and then dispose this Lancet into a proper disposal is required. You have to put it into the dustbin, or a biomedical waste disposal is required there. Once you are done, you just have to close this Lancet. This is on, and you can store it in the storage bag or the container that is given to you. I hope this video will help you to use glucometer in the right way and monitor and manage the diabetes at home without any external assistance. Thank you. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. If any doubts, you can just comment in the box below. Keep in touch. Bye bye. Thank you.